Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to experiment with volumizing mousse. And yes guys, I actually put about handful amount of the mousse already. It is recommended to actually shake it before. And yes guys, this is your consistency. It is super fluffy and it gives you full body and recommended for medium hold and yes guys, for fine to medium hair. I would consider my hair to be medium and I would say they're already quite almost dry, and I absolutely love the result it already gave me. It's basically very defined curls, but I'm actually going for a silkier look, so I'm just going to heat it with a blow dryer, and then I'm going to be using my Revlon volumizer as well. Guys, I actually use this BERTA blow dryer to basically give it a final touch because I don't have any more time to air dry my hair. And yes, I can definitely see a lift right here already, so it definitely makes such a great difference. And yes, right now I am actually going to be using my Revlon volumizer as well, and this is actually a classical version. And yes guys, let me just basically isolate this top part. And what I really like about Revlon volumizer, it actually does not create, basically you do not hold a brush, right? So you can just use this part. It's not like a blow dryer when you do need to have your brush as well, like your round brush. So yes, I'm going to turn it on. All right, let me see if I plugged it in. Yes, it looks like I did plug it in. Okay, let me see if I did or not. And yes guys, yes, I did plug it in. There we go. So let's see. guys, you can see the difference Revlon Volumizer does. And again, I do not have currently any keratin treatment or things like this in my hair. And again, look how silky and shine it looks. So what I really like about Moroccan oil series, they are actually really hydrate your hair, which is what I need. So yes guys, as you can see, it's definitely super silky, and I just have a top part to take care of right now and a little bit on the back as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yes guys, look at this wonderful lift and bounce that I have right now. And again, absolutely no teasing my hair. I feel like it's definitely a go-to tool right now for me. And again, like, you know, sometimes mousses, they actually make your hair a little bit like, you know, like you feel it in your hair. Right now I don't. And again, my hair is super shiny, very well hydrated. And again, I'm absolutely impressed with the final result of the volume. I feel like I have twice as much hair. And again, I did use Moroccan oil mousse volumizer, which is with a medium hold, as well as my BERTA blow dryer, and of course Revlon volumizer. And again, it is actually a blow dryer and a round brush all in one.